Think of your body like a car. It's designed to run clean and be full of energy. But maybe for a while now you've been putting the wrong kind of fuel in it. Processed food and sugary drinks are like gunk in the engine, making you feel sluggish and store fat no matter what you do. What if I told you there is a really simple way to switch on the right fuel? A way to get your body to burn naturally and just run better for good. Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how it works. I'm going to give you 4 simple fuel switches that will run your body into a fat burning engine. This isn't something new, complicated diet, it's just a smarter way to live. By the way, my name is Boris Kisha. I'm a fully licensed IFBB fitness coach and a professional nutritionist. I'm a super heavyweight bodybuilding competitor in the category over 100 kilograms. That is over 220 pounds on stage. I'm 6'4" tall, that's 193 centimeters. Welcome to my channel. Fuel switch number 1, put protein first. I mean, the first and most important switch is to always think about your protein. If you don't do anything else from this video, please do this. There are 2 simple reasons why. It keeps you full and protects your muscle. First, protein is the most filling thing you can eat. When you have a meal with good amount of protein, you just feel more satisfied for a lot longer. This helps you control how much you eat without ever feeling like you're starving. It's the best way to kill cravings and stop thinking about food all the time. Second to this, when you're trying to get lean, you want to lose fat, not muscle. Protein helps you hold to your muscle while your body burns fat for energy. And the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn all day long, even when you're just sitting around. So how much do you need? A really simple rule is to have a palm-sized portion of something like chicken breasts, fish, lean beef, eggs, or maybe Greek yogurt with every meal. If you can do that, you're most of the way there. And if you want to take a training to the next level, I made 3 complete training splits you can get for free. You'll find the link below. I'll take you to my coaching newsletter where I'll send them straight to your email. Fuel switch number 2. Eat more food with fewer calories. So this is all about calorie density, which is just a fancy way of saying some foods take up more space in your stomach than others. Think about it like this. 200 calories of a donut is tiny, right? It's gone in 3 bites and you're probably hungry again almost right away. But for 200 calories, you could have a whole plate of grilled chicken and broccoli that will leave you feeling completely full and satisfied. That's the magic of calorie density. Processed food packs a ton of calories into a tiny, unsatisfied package. But whole foods like meats, fruits, vegetables, and potatoes are full of water and fiber, so they'll fill up your stomach with way few calories. By just shifting from processed food to whole foods, you'll get to eat bigger, more satisfying meals, and your calorie intake will naturally grow. You'll feel full and your body starts dropping fat automatically. How many calories do you eat per day? Do you track them or not? Drop in the comments. I want to see where you are at, and your answer might actually help someone else. Fuel switch number 3, create a simple routine. So this isn't about what you eat, it's about making it easy on yourself. One of the biggest reasons people give up on eating healthy is because it's just too much work to think about it all the time. Waking up every day and asking, what healthy thing should I eat now? Is exhausting. Successful people don't rely on willpower, they build systems. Here is a simple system for you. Have a small rotation of 3-4 meals you actually like for breakfast, lunch and dinner. You don't need a new recipe every single fucking day. Maybe your breakfast is always either scrambled eggs or a bowl of Greek yogurt. For lunch, you switch between a big salad of chicken or the leftovers from last night's dinner. When you have these to-go options ready, you remove the daily struggle. You just do it. This feeds up your brain power and makes eating healthy feel automatic instead of like and constant battle. And if you find this helpful, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button for more real, no bullshit fitness advice. Fuel switch number 4. Use the 80-20 rule to make it last. This last switch is what makes this plan you can stick with forever. The biggest myth out there is that you have to be perfect 100% all the time. That all or nothing thinking is what people restrict, then binge, and then actually quit. The 80-20 rule is simple. 80 of the time you focus on making good choices. You put protein first and you eat whole food. The other 20% of the time you just live your life. Eat some pizza, have some ice cream and enjoy the drink with your friends without feeling guilty. This flexibility is the key to making it last. When you know you have that 20% room, you don't feel deprived, which is what makes the most diets so miserable. It's not a cheat day, it's just a part of normal, balanced life. You understand? Being consistent is way more important than being perfect, and it's what will keep you lean for good. And if you're ready to level up with one-on-one coaching, hit the link in the description and let's take your results to the professional level. Therefore, stop putting gunk in the engine. You cannot piss in the tank of your car and expect it to run properly. When you make these 4 switches, you're not starting another diet, you're giving your body permanent upgrade. And if you want to learn the 7 most common mistakes people make on the most brutal muscle building exercises, click on this video here and I'll see you there.